Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 when you are playing game. So if you keep getting error when you try to launch a software or game, so all you have to do is you can try this method. You can restart the Windows Module Installer Service. You can hold Windows key and R and try to type service. This one, services MSC. Okay, and this is the services that you can configure and search Windows Module Installer. This one, Windows Module Installer. You can try to stop it, then start the service. Restart the computer and check if the issue get resolved. Here you can try to stop. And as you can see, I already stopped it manually, and you can restart your PC. And after that, you can try to, after you restart your PC, you can try to run a system file checker scan and check if that helps. You can run SFC scan here, SFC space hashtag scan now. You can try open CMD and run as administrator. Here, SFC space hashtag scan now, enter, and wait the process. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.